Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix mentions problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and here you will find apps, and then go to Freights, and then for stop it, go to storage and clear cache. And that's it. Now just go back and try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just try to restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.